Good morning. It's Monday morning, and wow, what a weekend! What a Sunday that was. We got a lot of rain. It rained again overnight last night, so things are certainly wet, and that'll be great for everything growing. The honeybees are going to love it. Probably got a little mud that we got to wander through this morning. I've got some leftover sandwiches from our bee club meeting for the chickens and a few other leftovers. So let's get this going and get everybody underway for the day. Go ahead and head out to Chicken Manor. I forgot to turn the fountain back on there in the pond. We can do that this morning as we go by for the duck pond after our fill up yesterday. And we can go ahead and get a little extra water going for the goats. We'll run the goat spigot for 10. I had these leftover sandwiches and stuff from the bee club meeting. We'll throw a couple in here just for fun. Give somebody a treat this morning. Probably. Let's try also some chicken tank. I think what I'm seeing here is if I run the chicken tank and the goat tank together, it may not have enough pressure to do much interesting. Let's take a look at what it's doing. Anything? Let's get some coming out. Yeah. Let's go ahead and experiment with that today and see what that gets us. We'll let everything run. See how it comes out. Sneak back out here in Chores. Make sure everything's okay. And I think we're underway. Everybody been cooped up, literally. All right, let's get going here with Gen Pop. Wow, we sure needed that rain. It had been weeks since we had a good shot of something. Okay, Gen Pop, we've got a first step here of this leftovers. That should be a nice little treat. And the final step is to get that fountain running again. I guess the final step is to figure out which of this mess is actually the plug for the fountain. I think it's this one. That's the pump. That's the pump to get water out. There we go. And as dark and gross as the water still is, you can tell it's cleaner because the water that's circulating is not green. I actually think we probably need another shot of water in there too, so let me go ahead and do that from the other water timer. That's going to come from the garden hose. And that is going to be, let's give it maybe 30 minutes. That's ready for everybody. So let's go let those girls and boys, beaks and feathers and talons and squawking, clucking kids out. Wonder what we've got for groundings. Anything right inside the door? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Hi, Kevin. Hi, everybody. Good morning. Good morning to you. How are my quackers? How's everyone doing? Oh, get those sandwiches. They are an immediate big hit. Ah, yes, good morning. Good morning, friends. Hello, barn. Hello, barn critters. Hi, Merida. Hey everybody, buddy. How we doing over here? Everyone's still kind of lounging? Cece? You taking this whole area by yourself? Is this the Queen's area for Cece? Is that how it works? And well, it should be. Right up until the point I chase you out in the morning, huh? Hey. Keep it moving there. Merlin, my friend, move off the tire. Come on, Cece, you were so close. A few more steps. Thank you. Okie dokie. Good morning. Back it up. Come on, Edit. Come on. There we go. Thank you. Hello, duck. You know what? Y'all didn't finish your hay from last night, so I think I'm going to take a mid-morning break to bring you more. I'm going to let you guys work through all the rest that's there first, and then I will set an alarm for 10 a.m. Let's do that now so I don't forget. Hey Siri, set an alarm for 10 a.m. for goat hay. I let them play with it and knock most of it out of there, then I don't have to do it. Isn't that right, Louie? And I'd much rather you guys do that work than me. That's some serious attitude. Okay, come on, here we go. Everybody out. Go get it. Let's see who might wait behind. Could it be Miles? Bill, oh, we got the 4 of you today. It's the quad weight. You guys are funny. I know, family, you want food. Let's get you moms and babies done. I know you want it. Back up. Give me some space to get in. I can't feed you if I can't get to you. Let's come over here. Same deal on hay for you. Same family hay deal. Okay. Louie, you go take care of that hay, buddy. I'll bring you a new bale here after a little while this morning. I think that's it. Pretty clean, pretty straightforward. Easy peasy this morning. I'll take that. That's a great way to start a Monday. I agree. Thanks, Rooster. There we are, ducky doos. That's getting up clear. Oh boy, green water in my duck pond. That does my heart good. The garden hose is got 9 minutes left. No, it's got 20 minutes left. I think 20 is going to overflow it. Let's stop it. And let's go ahead and just drop it down to about 10. They certainly appear to be happy about the clean water this morning. All right, that feels better. Okay, everybody, we will see you out here for other chores later today.